You know that feeling when you go to a country, you technically speak the language, but you feel like you need a translator just to understand the slang? Well, today, we're diving into New Zealand to crack the code on how Kiwis say hello, goodbye, and everything in between.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us, especially in New Zealand. You land, you're ready to explore, but the local lingo can make you feel like a total outsider. But don't you worry, getting a handle on just a few key phrases is the fastest way to feel right at home, and we're going to show you exactly how to do it.
All right, let's start with the absolute essential. If you only remember one single thing from this entire guide, make it this. This is the one word that unlocks pretty much every casual conversation in the whole country.
That's right, this is number one, the single most common, most important, and most powerful greeting you will hear, period. So that magic word is Kia Ora. And let's get the pronunciation right. It's Kia Ora. Now, it comes from Te Reo Maori, the indigenous language. But here's the thing. It has been so completely embraced that everybody uses it. Young people, old people, Maori, Pakeha, which is the term for New Zealanders of non-Maori descent, it truly doesn't matter. It's this incredible symbol of the country's identity, and when you use it, you're really showing respect and a desire to connect.
And here's the best part. It's like a Swiss Army knife of greetings. You walk into a shop? Kia ora is your hello. Someone holds the door open for you. Kia ora is your thanks. It's just this beautiful, all-purpose word that fits almost any positive social moment. So the bottom line is simple. When in doubt, just say Kia ora. You can't go wrong.
Okay, so beyond Kia ora, daily conversations are just sprinkled with this classic English-based slang. This is the stuff you're going to hear everywhere. We're talking cafes, supermarkets, the whole shebang. Now listen up, because a couple of these are really important to get right. Mate, for instance, is used for literally everyone, men and women. And how cool is this? Same thing for bro. It's just a warm, friendly term of affection, totally not gender specific. You might also get called love, usually by older ladies or maybe the person at the checkout. And g'day is still a solid classic, especially with the older generation. So you're probably not going to hear a formal how are you? Nah, it's all about casual stuff like how's it going or even just you all right? And the replies are just as chill. Good, mate? Or yeah, not bad. And here's a fun little quirk you gotta know. A completely normal response to you all right is to just say you are right back at them. Yep, it's both a question and the answer. So, Kia ora is definitely the star of the show. But it's not the only Maori phrase that's beautifully woven into everyday Kiwi English. Let's look at a few more that you are pretty much guaranteed to hear. Okay, ready to level up? You've got Kia ora down, which works for anyone. But if you really want to show you know your stuff, you can get more precise. If you're talking to a group of just 2 people, you'd say Kia ora ko rua. That's ko rua. And for 3 or more people, it's Kia ora ko toa. That's ko to. It's a small detail, but man, it shows you've really done your homework. Morena for good morning is super, super common. Now, if you want to ask, how are you in Te Reo Māori, you can say, kei te pehea koe. That's pronounced, kei te pehea koe. And the perfect, simple reply, kei te pai. Kei te pai. It just means, I'm good. Easy, right? Okay, so you've totally nailed the hello, but what about making a smooth exit? You gotta stick the landing. And Kiwi goodbyes are just as unique and awesome as their greetings. Cheers is the ultimate multi-tool. Seriously, it means thanks, it means goodbye, it can even mean you're welcome. Sia or kacha are your standard friendly farewells. For a little Maori flavor, you can use kakite, pronounced just like karkite. And then you've got the classic slang. Chur can mean thanks, cool, or bye. And choice means cool or sweet, but you'll often hear it as someone's leaving, like, choice brah, catcha. All right, so we've collected all the pieces of the puzzle. Let's click them together and see what a quick, totally natural Kiwi chat sounds like in the wild. Okay, so person A kicks things off, and boom, it's a triple hitter. You've got Kia ora for hello, mate for that friendly vibe, and you all right for the how are you? Perfect start. And the reply? Just as classic. A simple, yeah, good, the friendly bro, and then that quick you to bounce the question right back. It's efficient, it's warm, it is perfectly Kiwi. And to wrap it all up, person A uses cheers as a friendly sign-off, and person B hits back with a solid chur, which is basically, cool, see ya. The entire conversation probably took less than 10 seconds. That's how it's done. And there you have it. From Kia ora all the way to Churbro, you are now officially equipped to handle any casual chat that comes your way in New Zealand.
And remember, using these phrases isn't just about sounding cool. It's about connecting with people in a genuinely Kiwi way. So whether you're planning a trip or you're just curious about the culture, you have the full toolkit now. The only real question left is, what are you going to say first?